Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Cadillac CT5 Premium Luxury. This one's white. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 237 horsepower. For wheels we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A brown leather interior. Panorama sunroof. Come around back, we've got our CT5 all-wheel drive 350T badging. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming up front. This one does come with a Bose sound system, power windows, power seats. Over here we've got our buttons for our heads-up display. Steering wheel controls. This one does come with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Touchscreen media display. Rear view backup camera with sensors. Navigation. Dual climate controls. Heated and cooled seats, wireless charging for your phone, our different modes of driving, hard keys for a media display. This Cadillac has 3,449 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this, check out feldmanimports.com.